I feel good, yeah. The good news is you don't have to call the ESPN out there because you know the Phil Yates on Twitter, you just kind of hedge your bet. So you're saying the convention is a one-man show. It's the Phil Yates. And you had concerns about the Seahawks offense coming in because you have half a brain in your head and still now on the Seahawks offense.
This was the same team that played the Rams last weekend.
I vacuumed this technique.
They have one of those deals. Now, did you see the one about the vacuum from the dog's ass and catch their poop?